Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download Blum game on your mobile phone. So for that, in order to download your Blum game, you can download it from Telegram. So for that, just open your Telegram account. Now when you are on your Telegram, at the top right side, just click on this search option and search for Blum. When you search this, you can see the first option is Blum bot. Just open this. When you open this, here at the bottom you can see option called start. Just simply click on start. When you click on this, here now you can see there are two options, launch Blum and join community. Just simply click on launch Blum. Simply click on start. And here you will see an option called create your account. So now just you have to create your account on Blum and just here you can see there is asking you to start write your nickname. Just simply write your nickname and just follow the instructions and your account will be created on Blum and you can use it. So this is the way you can download your Blum game from your Telegram.